Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am so excited to be back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make two really cute dessert slimes. So the other day I had this idea, what if you could make a Rice Krispie treat slime as well as a sugar cookie slime? So I thought this would be a super fun video and I really hope you guys enjoy these two recipes. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the first slime that I'm going to be making. So this one is a super nice and crunchy Rice Krispie treat slime. So to start off with the first slime, I'm going to go ahead and add my desired amount of white school glue into the bowl. Next, to give the slime that perfect Rice Krispie treat color, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a little bit of yellow paint. I'm also going to add a couple pumps of lotion just to make the slime extra stretchy and glossy. And now it's time to activate the slime. For my activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to leave the slime a little bit sticky so the beads will stick to the slime. And now to give the slime that nice and crunchy Rice Krispie treat texture, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some clear slushy beads that are from Amazon. And finally, to top off the slime, I'm going to be using some rainbow sprinkles that I got on Amazon. So here's the Rice Krispie treat slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so nice. I just love the texture of this one. It's super nice and crunchy. It's a lot of fun to play with, and I just had so much fun making this slime. So here's the last dessert slime that I'm going to be making. So this one is the sugar cookie slime. So the first part of the slime that I'm going to be making is the base. So to make the base, I'm going to go ahead and add my desired amount of white school glue into the bowl. So the next ingredient that I'm going to be adding is foaming facial cleanser that I got from Walmart. I've been adding this into my slimes recently and it makes it so nice. It makes it super nice and soft, and it also makes it really glossy. Next, I'm going to add a few pumps of lotion just to make the slime extra soft and stretchy. And now it's time to activate the slime. Again, for my activator recipe, I use 1 cup of hot water and dissolve 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. Now that the base of the slime is done, it's time to move on to the cookie. So the cookie that I'm going to be making is a sugar cookie. I'll put a picture in right here so you guys can see. These cookies are my favorite. They are so good. So to make the cookie, I'm going to be using some Model Magic, and the first thing I'm going to do is add some lotion just to soften it up. So to make the bottom part of the cookie, I'm going to take a small section of the clay and roll it into a flat circle using a rolling pin. Now to make the icing, I'm going to take another section of the clay and mix in some blue food coloring. Now I'm going to roll the icing into another small circle and top it off with some sprinkles. So here's the sugar cookie slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so nice, and I just had so much fun making the sugar cookie on top. This slime has such a nice texture after it's all mixed together, and I just had a lot of fun with this one. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram page where I post all sorts of fun pictures and slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!